So I've got this unit here that I've owned for a year. It's called the Airoclean420. It's PCO, photocatalytic oxidation. Basically, it will reduce like a powdery mildew spore to its mineral form, rendering it harmless. And so after a year of use, you got to replace all of these UVC bulbs here. And I couldn't find my user's manual, and I couldn't find any videos online. So I just thought I'd shoot a quick video here because it's actually really easy. This thing's actually really well built. In the housing, there's these 4 holes like this. And then within that hole is this little white release button. And so you can hit that with just a regular screwdriver. You got to press it pretty hard though, pop, right? Pop each one, there's 4 of them, and then the whole top comes off. So it's actually really sweet. And then when you get into replacing these bulbs, they're in this like firm fit kind of rubber, and it's you got to use gloves, of course. Like I'm not touching this thing with my hands. Like you never do that, right? Like I'm just got my gloves off to shoot the video here. So anyways, it's really fit firm, and you got to remove the clip on each end, which removes quite nicely, and then pull the bulb out very carefully, straight, and do them one at a time, top, bottom, top, bottom, top, bottom, and replace with a new bulb and put the clip on. You can see I'm almost at the end here. This is my one with the clip off. And yeah, so just thought I'd let everybody know how to do this in case anyone runs into the same issue that I had and would like a nice little video.